So you know what I've realized over the last couple of months? That there's a lot of people that don't know how to subscribe to YouTube. For example, I'll tell people, hey, you should subscribe to my YouTube channel. Either my vlog channel or my new Caveman Critics channel. And they're like, subscribe? How do you do that? Well, you have to have a login. So they're like, well, I don't have a login. I just go to YouTube and watch videos. So if you're going to subscribe to a channel on YouTube, you need to have a YouTube account, which is basically a Gmail account, which is Google. So I'm going to show you today how to subscribe to a channel on YouTube. Now, if you have a Gmail account, which is a Google account, you're halfway there. All you have to do is log in with your Gmail account, go to YouTube, presto, you're there. Subscribe to any channel. Now, if you don't have a Gmail account, this is what you do. So go to YouTube, go to sign in, then go to create account. For myself, type in your name, Troy Shaw. So you can use your email address, or you can create a Gmail account instead. So it'll be your username at Gmail. So I'm going to make up a Gmail account and see if it works. So how to subscribe at gmail.com. So that's going to be my Gmail account. Make up a password. Hit next. That username is already taken. So let's do how to subscribe 111. Hit next. There you go. Let's just make up a birthday, April 22nd, 2000. Scroll down. I agree. And there you go. You have a Gmail account. Then, when you go to somebody's channel, like I'm going to type in my vlog channel, Troy Shaw. If you type in Troy Shaw, it should be the first one that pops up. Click on it. Hit subscribe. So while we're here, let's go ahead and subscribe to my Caveman Critics channel. Type in Caveman Critics, subscribe. So there you go. That's simple. So basically, if you want to subscribe on your phone, first of all, you download YouTube to your phone, log in with the account you created on your computer, or you can just do a whole new account, go through the same steps that I showed you on the computer. So that is pretty much it. That's how you subscribe to YouTube. It's pretty much that easy. So I hope this video helps.